Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can use collectibles in NBA Live Mobile. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in NBA Live Mobile and this is how the homepage looks like. So basically guys, right here in the bottom, you're gonna find my team, auctions, achievements, objectives, and lastly sets. So we're gonna click on my team. And right here, you're going to find all of your players. If you want to change any player, you can just click on it on the player. And then right here in the bottom, you're going to find some options if you want to change your player with. So for example, I'm going to change this player with Davis by holding Davis and then drag it right here. And as you can see, guys, now we switch the player. Right here next to the player, you're going to find all of the informations related to this player. So we found athleticism, inside scoring, rebounding, outside scoring, post offense, defense, and so on. If you scroll down, we're going to find the speed of the player, the agility, the dribble speed, the dunking, layup, and so on. And right now, we're going to go back and then we're going to go to view all items. We're going to find it in the top. Click on it, and then right here, you're going to find your players, the boost items, and next to it, as you can see guys, we found collectibles, and those are all of the collectibles that we have. For example, I'm going to click on life stamina, and as you can see guys, from here you can either sell it, and under it you can add it to set. For example, if you click add to set, it will be added to your set. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.